Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Oh, bumps. So today I just wanted to talk to you guys about my July 4th weekend. I did post a few videos this week, but before that I didn't really post as much because I actually got to go to the beach for July 4th. So we didn't vlog it because we were, Gonzalo and I were on the boardwalk and it took forever to park, but I wanted to let you guys know where we went. So let's see. It was not the 3rd, it was actually the 4th, which was a Thursday. So it was Thursday. We woke up super early. It was around like, I want to say like 5:40 a.m. And we woke up because on the 4th is when they released Stranger Things. So Stranger Things was out. We went out to our local bagel place to get some bagels, chocolate milk, coffee. We brought home coffee for everybody and everything. So we just started, it was around like 6 o'clock by then. So then we just started binge watching Stranger Things. So we started binging and binging and binging. I think we got to about episode 6. I think it was 6. Yeah, episode 6. And then we left for the beach around like 12. Didn't hit any traffic, got to the hotel, bought Jersey Mike's, went back to the hotel, and we're like, okay, we have to eat and we have to watch Stranger Things at the same time, obviously. So we got the phone because we can't stream it from the TV. The TV was like an LG TV. It's not like a smart TV or anything to get Netflix. So we watched it on the phone for a little bit and we were like, we can't do this, it's too small. So we ate, we left for the boardwalk. The boardwalk was mobbed. And when I tell you mobbed, it took us 2.5 hours to park. I was driving around in circles looking for a parking space. So regardless of that, we finally got a parking space and got out, went on the boardwalk, went into the arcade, looked around there for a little bit, and then we went into the fun house, which was always fun. Got some water, things like that, and then we finally just stood on the boardwalk to get our spot for the fireworks. And they did fireworks around 9 o'clock that lasted about a half an hour, but they were wonderful. They were right on the beach. They cleared out the entire beach so they could do the fireworks from the sand and everything. They had all the boats and firemen out watching just in case. But we waited, we kept our seats for like an hour because we didn't want to lose them, because we were legit like right in front of the beach where they were shooting them off. They were right in front of our face. So that was fun. But so the beach, we went to Point Pleasant Beach in New Jersey. That's pretty close to our, sorry, I have itchy nose. That's pretty close to our home. Not close, it's still a few hours away, but it's the closest beach to us. But yeah, it was pretty nice. I did get my package from Ramwi in the mail, and I will go into details about that in a separate video. I'm gonna talk about that purchase and those items. But anyway, I got to wear my USA shirt with my little cutoffs. I was super happy, and I got to spend some alone time with Gonzalo for the 4th. We've never actually done really much of anything for the 4th. I mean, like, we've shot off like little stuff here and there, but nothing crazy. So that was really, really nice for us. And we also stayed at, because we stayed overnight, just because, why not stay overnight? And so we didn't stay on the beach, because as I'm looking at the hotels, they're like $600 for a night. And I'm like, that's like a week to me. So no, I was not paying $600 for a night. So we stayed in Lakewood, which is about like 20 minutes from the beach. We stayed at a Hilton Inn. It was pretty nice, very nice. Very homey-esque type of hotel for Hilton even. But everything was right next to us in Lakewood. They had IHOP, they had Costco, they had Jersey Mike's, Chick-fil-A, Wendy's, McDonald's, like 7 different diners. It was really, really a nice area to go. But yeah, that's just what we did for the 4th, so that's why I have not posted all last week. I did post Monday of this week, and I'm gonna have videos all this week. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please drop a comment down below, because I would love to know what you guys did for the 4th of July, or what you guys do for any holiday, actually. That would be good to know, because I'm always down to get new ideas and do stuff, especially stuff that does not cost a lot of money. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please click on the notification bell to be notified for every time I post a video. Click the like button if you like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!